Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create and delete a folder using command prompt in Windows. So first, I'm going to open my command prompt CMD and I'm going to run it as administrator. So I'll be showing you how to create and delete a folder using command prompt. So first, let me go over to the desktop. Okay, so now I am in the desktop. So this is the desktop right here. So first, to create a folder, we use the command mkdir, that's make directory. It is the command mkdir, known as make directory, and now we can give the name of the directory. In this case, I will say sample1. That's the name of the file, and I'll press enter, and you will see it appears here, sample1. So let me create another one. Sample2, and I hit enter. So you see it is being created here, sample2. So I created the third one, sample3. So you see I have created 3 folders, which are and their names are sample1, sample2, and sample3. I spelled the first 2 wrongly. Sorry about that, and the third was spelled correctly, sample3. So now we are going to delete the folders. In order to delete the folder, you use the command remove directory, which is rm there, and you put the name of the directory. In this case, I want to delete sample1, and I hit enter. You will see that sample1 is no longer present on the desktop. So let's remove directory sample2, and you see it's no longer there. This is the only one left, sample3. So let's remove directory sample3, and you see sample3 is gone. So this is how you can create and delete folders in Windows through the command line. Thank you very much for watching. So make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on more videos like this. Thank you.